Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Euler's method helps us approximate solutions to differential equations quickly. Let's break down this problem into 3 simple steps to find the correct answer right now. Since we move from x equals 1 to 0 in exactly 2 steps, the step size h is negative 0.5. That is our first move to get started today. Starting at 1, 0, we find the slope using the differential equation, then update y to find the value at x equals 0.5. You got this, keep going. Finally, use the new point 0.5, 1 to find the slope and update y1 last time to reach x equals 0. That makes option C correct. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOV. Avoid bad step size and sign errors. Always apply Euler and check your basic arithmetic.